Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to present my final project for CS50 Introduction to Computer Science by Harvard. I took this course and I really enjoy it, and we had to make a final project using what we've learned, and in this case I've made this website using Python, and this website is called Crypto Monitor, and you can monitor pretty much everything about cryptocurrency. When you first enter this website, you are going to see the crypto prices. As you can see Bitcoin price, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and so on. So you can see the prices for pretty much the most famous cryptocurrency, and you can compare the most famous coins. You can use the calculator. In this case, you can get the price for Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, EOS, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. So let's see the price, for example, for 2 Bitcoins right now. This is the price in US dollars. You can check the market dominance for each one of the top coins. You can also check the history. So you can see Bitcoin's price for the last few days. And the focus of this website is to have a lot of information about cryptocurrency in one place. So that's the focus of this project. My name is Lucas Cerqueira. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Santa Rita do Sapucaí, Minas Gerais, in Brazil. And I've made this website using Flask, that is a Python framework. And all that I've done in this website, I've learned by taking CS50 Introduction to Computer Science by Harvard. So my name is Lucas Cerqueira and this was CS50.